Tired of typing your password every time you download a free app? In this video, I'll show you how to download apps without needing a password on your iPhone or iPad. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then, under the Restrictions section, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now select iTunes and App Store purchases. Under the Require Password section, change the option to Don't Require. Once that's done, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You'll be prompted to enter your device passcode. Go ahead and do that. Under the Use Face ID for section, find iTunes and App Store and turn that toggle off. Next, go back to the previous settings screen and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Password Settings. Now, under the Free Download section, turn off the toggle next to Require Password. Now open the App Store and try downloading a free app. It should install without asking for a password. And that's it. If this helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a tip.